Welcome to the Construction Innovation Center, a name picked very carefully. So hopefully our first innovation will be the way in which we teach future generations of construction leaders. We were already unique in the country for the amount of lab time dedicated to the typical kind of instruction. Where other universities might do things in a lecture format, Cal Poly, through its concepts of lab-based or project-based learning, has always committed a much more dedicated amount of time. And our students, I'm sure, will complain to you that a 3-credit-hour course at Cal Poly takes them 9 hours a week to get through, and they will certainly attest to that. So we didn't have far to go looking at that kind of a lab-based model. So we started to imagine the right facilities and the right furnishings that would take this curriculum then to the next level to prepare the best construction professionals for the 21st century.
I was excited to hear that I'd be able to spend my last 2 years at Cal Poly in a brand new building. When I walked into the main office of the construction management department 2 weeks ago, the first day I was here, I was literally shaking. It blew my mind. And then it pretty much collapsed in excitement when I went to the computer lab and saw those monitors that were brand new computers. Yeah! Those are massive.
The whole team was committed to doing a project that represented what we teach here at Cal Poly, that the building would reveal in how it was designed and used the nature of the continuum of our professions, from design through construction, and reveal to our students and teach our students what we call pedagogy, what buildings are about, how we trap the light of the sun and keep the heat out of the building, how we orient the building to capture fresh air, etc.
I'm sure we'll go on to find innovative solutions to all sorts of challenges in infrastructure development and in construction in the state of California and beyond. So stay tuned. We have a lot more to come. This day is only the beginning.
Simpson is the chairman of the board with Simpson Strong Tie. His nickname is Bart, not to be confused with Bart, B-A-R-T Simpson. In any event, his motto is we learn, we grow, we put something back. He's had a PSB program for a long time. The great thing about this, it gets together construction management, architectural students, RE, and you're really working together, hopefully before you're sitting across from each other giving a deposition or something. But what we're trying to accomplish here is that this will give the students an advantage when they enter the job market. Because some of the companies I talk to prefer to hire Cal Poly students because they say they only lose money on them for 6 months. They lose money on everybody else for a year or two. So.
I feel strong about this facility because it's not only bricks and stone and glass, but it houses a philosophy of interdisciplinary education, such that architecture students, engineering students, and construction students can be in the same classroom, elbow to elbow, because those of us who work together, in my belief, have to be educated together. So this building is uniquely designed to foster and facilitate an interdisciplinary kind of education. I had one here when I was a student 44 years ago, and I'm back to keep it going.
I've been fortunate enough to continue a close connection with our college after receiving my CM degree in 1984. I'm privileged to serve on the Dean's Advisory Council and Construction Management Industry Advisory Council. And I come back to lecture for CM, and I also recruit for our organization. In fact, the CM majors continue to improve so much year after year that at this point I'm not sure I even hire myself. This is a big project, not only for the CM department in the college, but nationally for our profession. How many construction management departments get to design and build around their own curriculum? I think I'm right when I say we're the only one in the country has been able to do that.
As a member of the Faculty Advisory Board, it's great to work with both students and faculty on real-world problems to help